Model 2024 Transit Custom 2.0 TDCI Euro 6 Spares OR Repairs Body, white, panel van mileage, 57,703 MOT, 30 July 2024 engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Should be a straightforward belt replacement condition summary. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: electric windows, multifunction steering wheel, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.